Hey everyone, this is Nathan Wabi here with Music Apps for All, and today I'd like to show you how rhythm poetry works. I'm going to click it right here, it'll open up a new window, and when we see this, what we get is some rhythms in these circles. If I start to press my circles, I can start to change the rhythm. But I want you to notice that in changing the rhythm, it's not deleting the lyrics. The lyrics are merely moving around to fit whatever rhythm I'm creating. So this is a completely non-destructive way to be able to edit rhythms without having to retype words and to be able to easily look at it in all sorts of different ways. Now, I have a little rhythm here. It's not how Hickory Dickory Dock goes, but I can hit play and it's going to play it for me. Now, it always sort of stutters there in the beginning. I'm going to play it again and it'll give me 4 beats and then the rhythm will start. Just like that. Now I can speed up my song, I can take away the steady beat that we hear, or I can also take away the rhythm. This is helpful if I really want to read a rhythm without being reinforced by the sound. I'll try this. This would sound like da, 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 da. Oops, I messed up the rhythm right there. Da, 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 da. Just like that. Now, I'll turn my rhythm back on so I can hear it. I have a lot of different pre-selected songs, and these songs can be quite a lot of fun because I didn't set their rhythm so that you can create the rhythm to this yourself. So actually, let me go back to my Hickory Dickory Dock because there's a big problem in it. This is not in 4/4. Typically, this is going to be in something like 6/8. Now, if I hit right here, I can change my beats in the fours so I can have all sorts of with either 3 or 2 or 5 or 6 or 4, or I can press the bottom 4 and that switches it over into my compound meter. And so now I can do something like this. I can also change from 6/8 to 9/8, 12/8. I get those choices. So I can start to create the rhythm I want. I may say something like Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse. Then let's hear what that sounds like. Close, but I don't want Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse, I want it a little different like this. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse. And like that. And so I can play that and hear whether this is correct. The mouse. Yeah, and so I can use this play button along with this to help shape the rhythm that I really hear in my head so I can see what it looks like. Now, when I'm in 6/8, all I get is my eighth notes and my quarter notes like this. I'm going to switch back into 4, and when I do, I can start to use some 16th notes as well. 16th notes add a layer of complexity to this because now I have 4 circles. But I can do quite a lot with my 16th notes, and you can get in here and see all the different combinations that we have of these 16th notes based on the circles that we're pressing here. So I think I can even do this, can't I? Yeah. So once I'm ready to save the work that I have, just like in other apps, I can hit the paragraph key, and that will show this to me in a text form. I can copy this, save it somewhere else like an email or a document, and then repaste this later and it will recreate all of this for me, just like this. Likewise, I could hit save and it's going to save a picture to my desktop. If I go over to another app like this, I can hit Control Paste or Control V and it'll paste my rhythm. Now I look here and it's nice, but this isn't how rhythms really look. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to turn off this. Now I can see my rhythms in their full rhythmic glory. I'll do this again. And now when I go back and paste, now I see the rhythms exactly how they should look right here. So there are some secret things that I can do with this to make this even nicer. Let me change to something else real quick. Let's do this one. I'm going to switch this off. And now let's say, in fact, I don't have one here, do I, that naturally does this. I don't think I do. Anyway, I'll just do this one right here. Let's say I wanted to have an upbeat. I can come here. I need my little circles to help me. And if I double click in the beginning, it will put that first beat as an upbeat like this. Now, sometimes along with the upbeat, I also need to have a syncopation. So if I come here, I'm going to put one bracket here and one bracket here. Now I create a syncopation. And so to do that, I simply take a bracket and put these brackets around, and it's going to create a syncopated rhythm for me. So there are some secret things I can do. If I want to see this really in action, I can go to instructions, and I have an entire instruction song with you. It's got some of our syncopated rhythms that we see here. It's got our upbeat rhythms right here, and then you can just look and see how that looks in our song with our lyrics right here. And so we can see how some of this is notated, and we can start to create our own rhythms like this. And also, if I want a cleaner outlook, I can just do this, and I also have a cleaner outlook. In fact, let me do this. So here is our little rhythm poetry right here in all of its glory, and you can try it out and start to write your own verse.